My blissful gorgeous self, this is Sri Vrindavan Mahimamritam. It is composed by Sri Prabodhananda Saraswati Pad, who lived in the time of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu in 15th century AD. Feeling and experiencing and tasting and embracing the lotus feet of Sri Radha Muralidhara, dedicating myself to the embodied blessingfulness. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, offering respectful obeisances to divine intoxicated devotees of past, present and future, is waves of virtues rising in high tides in the ocean of transcendental mellows of Prem, Sneh, Rag, Anurag, Bhav, and Premamay Chitta and Mahabhav also. The flow is hot Gulf streams or cold Labrador streams. These bhavas flow in the ocean of transcendental Vrindavan consciousness. I now levitate and fly in the vast space of glories and opulences of Sri Vrindavan, greening with the lovely forests of tulsi trees and plants, blooming with multi-million varieties of flowers, rejoicing wildlife and resounding and echoing and vibrating with the flute music emanating from the sacred lips of Bhagavan Sri Krishna himself. I now sing the ambrosial glories of Sri Vrindavan. So, my dear friends, Sri Prabodhananda Maharaj's verses, his original words are Shri Radha Murali Manohara Padambojam Sada Bhavayan. Shri Radha Murali Manohara Padambojam Sada Bhavayan. Shri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Padaraja Swatmanamevarpayan. Srimad-Bhagavatottaman Gunanidhi Natyajaradhananam Sri Vrindavana Divya Vaibhavamam Stotum Mudha Prarabhe. Sri Radha and Sri Murali Manohar के चरणारविंदों का निरंतर ध्यान स्मरण करता हुआ श्री चैतन्य महाप्रभु श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य महाप्रभु के चरण रज में आत्मसमर्पण कर एवं कल्याण गुण सागर भक्त शिरोमणि वृंद के चरण कमलों में अतिशय आदर सहित बारंबार प्रणाम कर आनंद पूर्वक मैं श्री वृंदावन के दिव्य चिन्मय वैभव की स्तुति करने में प्रवृत्त होता हूँ। श्री ईशोऽपि यस्य महिमामृतवारिराशे पारं प्रयातु मनलं बत तत्र कैन्ये किं त्वल्पमप्यहमति प्रणयाद्विगाह्य स्यां धन्य धन्य इति मे समुपक्रमोऽयम्। Even gods of heaven, due to their sense gratification, are incapable to fathom the depths of ocean of glories of Sri Vrindavan. Then who else can dare but visualizing the blissful palms of Sri Krishna and Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, I am sinking to dive into its depths with hope that I shall be able to sprinkle handful of nectarine waters on the world of oncoming Krishna love, thirsty civilization and culture of people who might desperately need it. So, here I proceed, my dear friends. श्रीमद्वृन्दाटवी श्रीमद्वृन्दाटवी मम हृदि स्फुरयात्मस्वरूपम् अत्याश्चर्यं प्रकृतिपरमानन्दविद्यारहस्यं पूर्णब्रह्मामृतमपि यामिवतुं न ज्ञेति ब्रूयुर्यत्रोपनिषदयः तृतीयवार्ता कुतस्या. Oh, lovely Vrindavan, kindly please shower your mercy on me to combust, to explode and enlighten up my heart, revealing your sacred secrets, outstanding beauty of intoxicating made love of Bhagavan Sri Krishna. Oh, even to describe Satchidananda Brahma, the Upanishads almost go entranced and blurt out neti neti, then what else and who else can embark upon this mission impossible? Sri Vrindavan, where every atom and every dust particle, every sand of Yamuna beaches, or high power magnet of antimaterial atoms of miraculous love of Sri Radha Krishna, which attracts, fascinates and entrances in devotional services to all clean-hearted, meritorious, pious persons from every country, every race, every religion and every national background, every culture sparkling with Sattva-guna, the mode of great goodness, to offer them Sri Krishna Leela Madhuri. Sri Vrindavan is shining effulgently with Nikunja, Nivrat Nikunja, with wonders of all wonders, Vrajaleelas, wonders of all wonders of Vrajaleelas, Sukhiya Leelas and Parkiya Leelas, with mystery after mystery, even to feel the very first phase, it entrances for weeks and months and years. You cannot come out unless and until Sri Vrindavan lets you out. And also, you cannot go into it unless Sri Vrindavan gets you in, only to let you out, to stay more days lost in oblivion in the remembrances and reminiscences of those blissful hours. It's so because Vrindavan is the very gymnasium of the Lord Virat, embodied Lord Virat, ordinarized cosmic consciousness, gymnasium of Bhagavan, open field of suspense and romance and miracles of transcendental love emanating from Radha and Krishna, open playground for Shringara Rasa. I just go down falling prostrate to this Sri Vrindavan Dham. Radha Krishna Vilasa Purna Suma, Radha Krishna Vilasa Purna Suchamatkaram Mahamadhuri, Sarasparata Matkatim Varirasud Karshasya Kashtam Param, Divyam Swadhyarasaikaram Nusuvagashisham Nashishadivi, Seshairgamya Gunaugaparamanicham Sanstaumi Vrindavanam, Sanstaumi Vrindavanam, Sanstaumi Vrindavanam. I visualize in my dorsal plexus Sri Vrindavan, where cuckoos are singing on the fifth note, where the flute is resounding time and again with celestial music, where peacocks are singing and dancing, where vines and trees are blooming with multi-million varieties of colorful flowers, where chirping birds, galloping deers and does and monkeys are rejoicing in the forest, and splendid lakes and streams and hills abound, where all life forms are running, swimming, flying to reach the proximity of sapphire golden light of delights, that Sri Vrindavan I visualize in my heart chakra, my dear friends. Venum yatra konayati muda, Venum yatra konayati muda, Nipamula lavammi, Samvita Sri Kanakavasana Shritakaalinditire Pashyan Radhavadana Kamalam Kopi Divya Kishora Shama Kama Prakritiriyame Prema Vrindavanestu. At the camphor sandy cool beach of Yamunaji, under the shade of emerald shining kadamba tree, amorous blue complexioned youth dressed in yellow silk and playing flute dressed in yellow silk and blue sari, playing flute as he constantly, intently gazing at Sri Radha's lotus face and expressing many feelings, many bhavas through his eyes, through his eyebrows and different gestures of face. Let all the love of my heart flow and flow, flooding off everything to reach out that Sri Vrindavan and engulf in my arm that divine flute playing couple. Any day the death will come, my dear, and snatch your soul out of this body. This home, this bank balance, all joys are ghostly mirage. All honeymoons and all success peaks and red letter days are just passing show that sickens your mind and body with heavy depressions. Therefore, decide fast to live in Sri Vrindavan. Take all obstacles, all discomforts as series of happiness. Treat all insults and notoriety as great respect and blessings. Take all poverty, all pennilessness as big prosperity, as emperor of the whole world, as if you have become president of the world. Thank you very much, my dear friends.